On October 17th, deputies from the Clinton County Sheriff's Department and the Northwest Major Case Squad arrested Justin Webb, age 34, and Melissa Webb, age 32, both of Holt, Missouri. These arrests were made following the death of Lucas Webb, age 4, at a residence in Holt, Missouri. On October 15, 2012, Justin Webb is the maternal father of the victim, and Melissa Webb is the stepmother of the victim. Both of these individuals have been charged with Class A felony of murder in the second degree. They were charged this morning, and each of them face a bond of $500,000 apiece for the charge of murder in the second degree. All of this stems from an October 15 event at 3:10 in the afternoon when the Clinton County Sheriff's Department received a 911 phone call from the residents in Holt, near Holt, Missouri, saying that they had an unresponsive child. EMS ambulance crew went to the residence. They found the unresponsive child. They took that child to an area hospital where he was pronounced dead. The next day an autopsy was performed on Lucas Webb, and the cause of death was determined to be blunt force trauma. At that time, the Clinton County Sheriff, Porter Hensen, activated the Major Case Squad, which brings a tremendous amount of manpower to a serious crime like this. Time is of the essence when you're working in an event like this, and thanks to the hard work of these men and women, 2 people have been arrested in this case. I will now take a couple of questions, and then I think we'll be done.
Was the child hit with something, like an object?
You know, that's part of the investigation, and that's kind of what I was afraid of when we take the question and answer. Blunt force trauma. We all know that that's when one person is going to injure another person, and that injury leads to death.
Can you describe at all, or I know it's under investigation, but what was found at the home?
No.
Can you tell us who called police?
The mother called the sheriff's
The
department.
mother or the stepmother?
The stepmother, I'm sorry.
Where's the mother?
She is not in the home, and I think that's the best way that we'll leave it. She is not.
Are there any other siblings or anyone else in the family?
I don't think I want to get into that. We talk about other, maybe brothers, sisters, if they are juveniles. Anybody else?
Do we believe the incident occurred at the Webb residence, or was it elsewhere?
That's part of the investigation, and we're just not going to reveal that.
Are you expecting additional charges? I'm just, we're still, I know you're still in the process.
The investigation is ongoing, so certainly that is a possibility that more charges will be forthcoming, and that's something that, you know, that we'll know as time in the case evolves.
Can you let the sheriff answer if there were any calls to this home before or abuse, or maybe you had visited the home before, or any kind of event?
You know, we're not going to answer those questions because that's going to be background information on the case, whether that happened or not. Thank you all very much. I appreciate it.